If your iPhone broke right now, would you lose everything? Here's how to back up to iCloud, so you can restore your iPhone just in case something bad happens. To back up your iPhone, open Settings and tap your Apple account name at the top of the screen. Then tap iCloud and select iCloud Backup. Next, turn on the toggle next to Back up this iPhone. This will automatically back up your data once a day, whenever your iPhone is charging, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. Finally, tap Backup Now and keep your iPhone charging and connected to Wi-Fi until the backup is complete. Once it's done, you'll see the date and time of your last backup below. If your backup fails, it might mean you don't have enough iCloud storage. Apple only gives you 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage for free, so you'll either need to delete data from iCloud, reduce the size of your backups, or buy more iCloud storage. To delete data from iCloud, go back and tap the storage bar at the top of your screen to see what's taking up space. You'll need at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space for a basic backup, but if you want to back up lots of photos and videos, you'll need more. Finally, select an app and tap Delete Data from iCloud. Just be careful. This will remove the app's data from iCloud on all your Apple devices, and it cannot be undone. To reduce the size of your backups, go to iCloud Backup and select your last backup. Then, turn off the toggle next to an app to prevent it from backing up next time. If you don't see a previous backup, you'll need to delete photos, messages, apps, and other data from your iPhone to reduce the size of your backup. To buy more storage space, tap Upgrade to iCloud Plus. From here, you can add 50 gigabytes more storage for 99 cents a month, or up to 12 terabytes of storage for $60 a month. You can also back up everything on your iPhone to a Mac or Windows computer instead. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.